Simplifying radical expressions. 5 root 8 minus root 32 plus root 16 minus root 72. In this expression has a magic number which is root 2. How? Look, first we can write 5, then 4 times 2 is 8 minus 32, we can write 16 times 2 plus root 16, it means 4, minus 72, we can write 36 times 2. Look, in everywhere is a 2. Why? Because every number we have to find out the perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. Now, here is 5 and a root 4 will be 2, and here is a root 2. How we can get this one? Like we know root a b, that means root a times root b. So root 8 we can write root 4 times 2, that means root 4 times root 2. So root 4 means 2, and here is a root 2. Very simple. Minus root 16 we can write 4, and here is a root 2, plus 4, minus 36 is a perfect square, so root 36, it means what? 6, and here is a root 2. So this line we can write 10 root 2 minus 4 root 2, and here we can write minus 6 root 2, and plus 4 we can make at end. Now we can take common this root 2 from this expression. So root 2, here is a 10 minus 4 minus 6, and here is plus 4. Then root 2 times, look, here is a 10, but here is minus 4 minus 6. It means minus 10. So we can also write like 10 minus 10, and here is plus 4. Now here is a root 2, 10 minus 10, it will be 0, plus 4. If you multiply any numbers with 0, it will be 0, and here is a plus 4, and finally our answer is 4. So very simple thing. Once you face these kinds of radical, you have to find out two things. First, a common number or magic number, here is like root 2, and you should find a perfect square. Like 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel. I hope by this channel you will get lots of things based on Algebra 1 and 2, set, SCT or Common Core. So anyway, see you soon by next video. Thank you.